Good morning. It's 12:57 a.m. We haven't slept. Oh, she's sleeping. Ay, kasi darating na daw yung susundo sa amin ng mga 2 a.m. So, hindi ako matutulog. Kasi mas masakit sa ulo yan pag matutulog ka pa. And then gigising ka lang din agad. Better to just wait. Okay, so ang mangyayari is, susunduin kami ng 2. Then ang flight papuntang Cebu muna at 5 a.m. And meron kaming layover ng 4 hours. Uy! First time ko sa Cebu, man! And after that, pupunta na ng Siargao. Welcome to Siargao! Yeah! Not even 30 minutes later. We're ready! So it's everybody's first time in Siargao and I'm really excited. Guys, look at... Oh. It's the no makeup look. Hi guys! Hindi pa kasi ako nagme-makeup kaya ganito yung tsura ko right now. Actually, wala akong makita. Guys, kailangan ba sabihin guys kapag nagva-vlog? Hi guys! Wala akong makita kasi. Wala akong contacts. Parang medyo twinning ata sila. Good morning! Sabi ko, Lola, parang medyo twinning po kayo ah. Ayoko! Same kayo ng color.
Parang isa-isip namin ano. Love you!
Love you!
Naalala ko, nung pumunta ako sa ano, saan po? Gininawa ko, kaya doble sa luwal ko.
Ayun po, nung papunta po tayong Palawan?
Hindi, biski nung pumunta ako sa States, gininawa ko.
Oo nga, bakit may
Ewan ko, hindi naman kami nag-usap yun.
Tignan mo yung legs. Ano na? Ano nangyari?
Ano na yung trash can natin?
Sabi ko parang may nakakatusok kanina.
Nakita ko nasa yung tumutusok.
Bakit? Nasa loob ng bag mo?
Hindi sa damit mo, Miss P.
Ano yan? May tumutusok daw sa kanya. Puro ballpen na yung hita niya.
Wait lang nga, nasa may takip kasi.
Hi, welcome to everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you. I know
Hello guys, andito na kami sa bus. Papunta na kami Siargao. Welcome to Siargao! Woo! Happy day 1 in Siargao!
Animals stay in human form. Bandy man, nobody like dog. But you must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight dog.
Cheers!
I know they
Ano raw po itong drink na to? Gumamela?
Gumamela daw.
Wow, drink.
Sino magaling?
Hi there. I'm Omar Bernardo.
Okay.
Now that my youngest one has earned her bachelor's degree,
Pick up alas 8.
it gives me a sense of contentment, a sense of satisfaction.
Okay.
That somehow I must have done something right in my life to deserve such special blessing like this. Salamat sa Diyos. All glory to God. Praise God.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You don't get the time for the take and the bad and the take on my mind. But my money, make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli.
Show kung gano'n kababaw. Ang babaw na. Oh! Malalim dyan! Okay, edi lagpas yan sa akin. Lagpas po yan sa akin.
My fantasy, you want to check it right down. But you didn't rush my way anymore. I'm gonna make my cocky.
ko lang yun. Tapos diba bumagsak na yung motor. Tatayo na ni nung Brody. Eh, bogart siya magtaas ng motor kasi
Sabi ko kay nila Daddy, pwede mag-overnight para naman ma-experience mo yung snoring ni Daddy.
Na-experience na nila, di ba? Nung natulog po tayo sa bahay nila.
Review ko sa lunch ko, layo-layo. Anticipated ko na sesep lang yung nasa harapan. Kaya natulog ko kami.
Send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time, no.
Again, 10:07. We're back sa aming bahay. Look at that. It's very nice. I like it here. I like the style of this resort. Excuse me, hindi ka cute. Good night. So let's get some sleep kasi magta 24 hours na tayong gising. Good morning! It's officially day 1 in Siargao. Andito kami sa Hillside Resort. This is the fit. I'm wearing a hot pink swimsuit, black jorts, black slippers. Umaga na! Good morning!
Mag-breakfast ka ba?
Hindi. Ako nag-breakfast.
Adam Cash on the track.
Good morning, Inay! Where are we going? Love you. Love you! Good morning, vlog! Good morning, vlog. Good morning, Siargao! Ninang! Good morning. Best friends! Good morning, Siargao!
Good morning, Siargao.
Haba kasi ng legs ni Ate.
Bakit kasi andyan lahat ng mga tall ones?
Oo, tamo. Yun.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi! Tuk-tuk ride!
Okay ba? Matagtag ba yung van natin?
Okay na.
Ang tingkad ata ng kulay ko. So, bumibili kami ng taho. Tita Ninang, hi! You're happy? Are you excited? Okay. Ako gusto ko.
Bell, taha. Ayaw din. Salamat.
Ayun na daw, tara na daw!
Pupunta na kami dun sa bangka. Nasa bangka na kami. Medyo
Gusto kami ngayon sa bangka sa Siargao. Kami ay magta-try island. Yan, ilang ko, di ko na.
nice, Nina. Ngayon, nasa Guyam Island tayo.
Welcome to Guyam Island, guys.
Welcome to Guyam Island. Hindi, walang guys. Welcome to Guyam Island.
Welcome to
Period.
Island.
Hi! Welcome to Guyam Island.
Ilan bibili natin?
Ay, ito pala, kuya. Smirnoff pala. Hindi letter C. Yung masarap.
Yung Smirnoff kasi pinatikim sa amin ni Kuya Jello. Mas mura daw siya kaysa sa San Mig. Apple, lychee. Tsaka mas masarap siya in my opinion. Ikaw, kausap ko yung camera. Si guys.
Nandiyan si guys?
Oo. Hi guys! So sinasabi ko sa kanila na pinatikim sa amin ni Kuya Jello yung... Hi guys! Pineapple juice.
Yan, dyan lang tayo sa pineapple juice.
Hindi.
Ito naman kasi kung ano pinagbibili. Buko juice nga
Binigyan
eh.
ko kasi ng 500 eh. Dahil pang buko juice lang yun. Ikaw talaga may kasalanan nito eh.
Akala ko ibabalik mo yung sukali eh. Hindi na nga ako mag-chip in.
Tara. Ikaw may kasalanan nito eh.
Hello? Ay! Hello? Ba't may ganyan kayo? Nag-share ako ng 500, bumiling tanduay. Diyan na po kayo, Tita Bunso. Okay. Uy, magbabing ka na. Hi guys, kasama ko ngayon ng mga Thunders. Ay, nako naman. Kasama ko mga Thunders. Ito naman si Boy Mixer, oh.
Ay, huwag mo papakita
Si Boy. Ang aga naman.
We are now at Guyam Island. Welcome to us.
Welcome to Guyam Island.
Welcome to Guyam Island.
Wow.
Parang saya. Excuse me po.
Oh, gawa ni Kuya.
Excuse me lang.
Okay, thoughts?
Nasa Siargao, grabe.
Nasa Siargao.
Iba talaga sa Siargao. Hey, we love Siargao.
Okay, burger. Burger ng Siargao. Bakit lagi may ganda? Burger ng Siargao.
Hey!
Harap.
Pinapaikot eh.
Ano, beef? Masarap naman yung ganito. Masarap? Uy!
Okay. Tissue.
Sarap. Ooh, aesthetic.
Ito, matry mo.
Buko lang. Hindi!
Ikaw, di mo pa na-try ito eh. Ay, nagustuhan.
Sarap. Sarap. Ninang!
Ang galing.
Ninang yung ano.
Kumagat pa. Kinagat. Bakit laki? Thank you, Miss P. I love you, anak ko.
Pengi din ako. Sige na. Hindi ko na napabukas.
Hindi ka naman thunders eh.
Okay lang. Oo nga.
Iluwa mo, iluwa mo.
Okay po. Okay.
To go out for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I can win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the
Welcome to Naked Island. So this is our Seahand Island. And stay here tayo dito, ma'am sir, ng 30 to 1 hour. It's up to you guys. Pag-consume nyo yung oras.
I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba.
Andito na ngayon tayo sa Naked Island.
Dako Island. Dako Island.
Okay, five.
I try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover.
Okay, nakabihis na ako ulit. Nakabihis na ulit ako. Pupunta na daw kami sa Avambrin. Pasok yan sa branding mo, kuya. Wait lang, kuya! O, game.
3, 2, 1.
Ang bilis naman! Nice! Good, good. Proud, proud. I got a bracelet. Nagpabili ako kay kuya. I got a necklace. Nagpabili ako kay mami. Yan. Food trip! Galing ako dun sa jewelry store. Sharga.
Lemon.
Sharga.
Lemon yung
Sharga. Laki pala.
Sarap kuya. Kung kayo na ayun no? Picture. Ikaw baka may pa-konti si Tita Bunso eh.
Ay, gano'n?
May premium po ba yan?
Yes! May agila.
Uy, 1,000?
Uy, medyo magpaprint na ka!
Okay pala yun.
Blue Eagle ba yan?
Yeah!
Dapat na yung pinipidyo mo. 1,000?
Yes!
Junior edition and the senior edition. So,
Okay.
Take 1,000. Mechanics. Pabilisan maubos. The bottom.
And the shells. Ay, hindi kasama shell?
Yeah. Hindi na kasama siya.
Madaya. Pasimple ka.
Ay, ito na basta ubos lahat from sisiw to bato.
Ang hirap naman kumita ng 1,000. Dahil mag-ati na lang tayo.
Ready na? Ready? Okay. Ready, set, cracking!
Miss Pico! Miss Baby, deserve mo na! nanalo.
Alin ba yung pinupukpok dito?
Ito!
Yung ulo.
Dali, doon ka muna para sa ekonomiya to.
Okay, for 1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos for the Blue Eagle Senior Edition Balloon Challenge. Ready, set, go! Bracket, go!
Ay! 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 Chill.
Pasimple lang ako.
Basic.
Sabi niya, hindi ko naman pala kailangan magpadali.
Hoy, bakit nung sila under 1 minute lang, ba't ang tagal nyo? 1 minute 30 seconds na, oh? 1 minute 32.
Na, sige na nga, ikaw na.
Give up.
Bakit hindi naman lasang suka, lasang kape? Eh, kasi naman yan yung sinawsaw. Kape. Saka ko sinawsaw.
Tagal ah.
Rana!
Ayoko na. Congratulations, te. Nagbigay lang tayo lang. Nagbigay lang kayo tayo sa ate. Actually, kaya namin talaga yan. Kaya namin yan. Pinagbigyan lang namin si ate. Nakakahiwa naman.
Dahil ito, may pang... Labas na kayong tatlo. May donation pala, may donation. Go! Isa kayo.
Ang galante naman. Ang galante.
Thank you so much.
Ay, binusa!
Hindi yan sa'yo.
Papalit ko na lang.
Hindi yan sa'yo.
I just wanna show you you are. You should you send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make I come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, time to fly about it. Catch you at the.
Hello, good morning, Sharga. Sharga. Second morning in Siargao. Okay, magsa-surfing nga pala kami.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Kuling? Guling! Oh? Oh? May facial expression pa yun. Oops! Kagat labi pa yun. Oh? Oh? Oh! I think a little bit past 5. Si Kuya ang aking surf instructor. Kuya Wang.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and word, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life.
Kaya pa? Enjoy. Ang bango. Okay, kompleto na ba kayo?
Bakit lahat kayo parang nakasimula?
Okay, ako video ko ah.
Mga artista?
Smile! Hey! Sama kami sa drone!
Anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to get to my way. Plenty survive. Just to make sure one day. Some of people then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one fight. I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want buy motor, I want feel house, I still want to know. What's it go? All the way, ride the whip, on the beat, ride for nothing. What's it go? All the way.
Good morning! Di ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi nakalimutan ko mag-transfer ng files. Nakapag-transfer na ulit ako, so may storage na ulit yung camera natin. Nakita niyo na ba yung balcony? This is how it looks like sa balcony. Yan, meron ditong chair, may sofa, and then chanan! I feel so much better this morning. Kahapon kasi I was just okay naman ngayon. I feel refreshed. I feel energized. Nakapag-blush on nga ako eh. Anyway, tomorrow na kami uuwi. So, it's the last full day in Siargao. Okay. Bye! Okay, mapapicture si Lola.
Okay, ayaw tira.
Meant to be.
Tapos sila yung susunod sa atin sa airplane.
I swear the way you move your body got me feeling nice. Yo, it's all in my face and then I start to fantasize.
Okay, let's try Calbaro. Go? Oh, yummy.
It's 4:30. Susunduin kami ng 5 because it's surfing part 2. Happy last few hours in Siargao. This is the outfit. We're just wearing a polo and I'm wearing my triangle bandana swimsuit. Good morning all.
Kuya, one po, di ba? Tandaan niyo ba ako, kuya?
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default. And without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you with talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba
With the tree.
Ayan, dinodrone tayo.
Okay, video. Huwag mo kalimutan si Kuya Wang.
Sabi ko sa'yo kasi huwag niya ako kalimutan.
Huwag mo kalimutan. Kinakalimutan mo.
Ligaya.
Come here, wait, see the body. Green body make I roll, come here. I know you seen young me. I get the money passing your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you big kiss that.
We're ready.
And then you better drop your body and more.